Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Secure a cadence sensor or enable cadence on your bike computer and confirm it's paired. Once done, pick a realistic target RPM like 80-100 and warm up 5 to 10 minutes to prime muscles. Make sure to clip in and select a gear that lets you spin freely without mashing. This prevents sudden torque spikes. Start pedaling at an easy pace and watch the real-time readout to match the target. Keep breathing steady as you settle into cadence control. Now you stabilize the rhythm. Use quick, small gear shifts to nudge RPM up or down by about 5 RPM rather than grinding through big changes. Once done, concentrate on a smooth, circular pedal stroke. Push and pull evenly to avoid dead spots that drop RPM. Make sure to monitor cadence alongside power and heart rate so you know if effort or efficiency is the limiter. If RPM drifts, adjust gears first, then cadence length or effort to regain the target without overreaching. To finish correctly, gradually lower your cadence and perform a 5 to 10 minute cooldown while staying in an easy gear. This helps recover your legs and solidifies the habit. If readings look wrong, immediately repair the sensor, check battery level, or reboot the head unit. These fixes solve most sensor errors. And if RPM keeps falling under load, inspect chain tension, cassette wear, or your gear selection and pedaling technique. Correcting those mechanical or form issues restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.